Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave-forecast.com YouTube channel. Today is Friday, July 7th, and the time is around 2:30 a.m. GMT. So today we're going to be looking at the chart of SPX here. So we have a 60 minutes time frame SPX, and we're looking to extend higher as an impulse, in which we ended with 2 at 40.46. And now with 3 ended here at the peak, and now looking forward for pullback in 3 swings. So basically we are now correcting the cycle here. So the rally is an impulse, and we are correcting the cycle before it turns higher again one more time to finish a 5 waves rally. So on the right side still remains green, meaning it is bullish, and the right side is bullish. We favor the upside, even though we are expecting potentially further pullback again at this point. Now zooming out, let's remember the position of this 1, 2, 3, 4 here. If I look at the daily, now you notice since we bottomed on October last year, we have since created a continuation, like a higher high and a higher low sequence here since last year. And this is the position that we see in the 1 hour time frame. So we have 1, 2, 3, and then now looking for a 4 before higher again, right? So we are talking about a 5 waves rally started from here, started from March 13, right? So if you look at the overall structure of the rally here, right, it looks, now let's take a look at a couple of extension here. This you can try to label it in 2 different ways, okay, depending whether you're bullish or bearish. If you are someone bullish, then you can try to label this rally as an impulse, as a nest. So this is a 1, 2, 1, 2, and then now we are finishing with 3 from here, right? So this is 1, 2, 1, 2, and then now we're finishing with 3, and then a 4 and a 5, followed by a 4 and a 5. So we continue to go higher from here, a sequence of 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5, to finish this entire 5 waves rally here. Now that is a bullish view. Now the bearish view is suggesting that this rally from last year was just merely a correction from the initial decline starting from January 2022. Now if you're someone who is bearish, then you can say that, okay, this is an ABC, finish with the W here, and this is your X, right? And then you have another A, BC again, and that will be the end of your WXY, right? And then you drop like this. Now that's if you are bearish, right? Now based on the other consideration, the other group, the other instrument, other indices, because we cover like more than 70 instruments right now, we conclude that we would prefer to be on the bullish side rather than on the bearish side. So that's why I think for our view, it will assume that the rally is a bullish rally. And for now, shorter cycle, yes, we might get another pullback, but the pullback should continue to find support in 3711, so it continues to go higher. And for now, it's against 40.46 in the first degree. Okay, so if you want to get more regular updates on the S&P or any other indices, Forex, commodities, stocks, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.